Starting a FinTech company and need to know how to register your LLC? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the essential steps to get your FinTech LLC up and running. First things first, what exactly is an LLC? It stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a popular choice for FinTech startups because it offers flexibility and protects your personal assets from business debts. Now let's look at the steps to register your FinTech LLC. Step 1. Choose a unique name for your LLC. It sounds simple, but there's a catch. The name has to be distinct and not already in use. Imagine it as picking a username online. You want something that stands out but is still available. Next up, Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. This person or service is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. It's like having a trusted friend who grabs your mail while you're away. Step 3. File the Articles of Organization. This is a critical document that you'll submit to your state's business filing agency. It includes basic details of your business, like its name, address, and the names of its owners. Think of it as your business's birth certificate. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Even though it's not always required, it's a smart move. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It's like having a game plan before the big match, ensuring everyone knows their roles and the rules. Now, one important step often overlooked is obtaining an EIN or employer identification number. This is like a social security number for your business, necessary for opening bank accounts and hiring employees. Step 6. Open a dedicated business bank account and set up accounting systems. Keeping your finances separate from personal accounts is crucial for maintaining liability protection and making tax time much easier. This also helps you track revenue, expenses, and growth more efficiently. Once these steps are covered, you'll want to stay compliant with all state requirements, which might include filing annual reports and paying necessary fees. It's like checking the oil in your car. Regular maintenance ensures everything runs smoothly. Remember, while you can tackle these steps on your own, getting help from professionals can make things a lot simpler. That's where LegalRegistration.com comes in. We're here to streamline the process and support you every step of the way. Visit LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights into the business world. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.